Hey guys, welcome back to the hot rails of the KRR, known as the Kiamichi Railroad, guys. They didn't run last night, but they sure are running tonight on their way to, Hugo. They didn't run last night. I don't know if they're doing some work on a train bridge or something, which I did see some railroad equipment somewhere down that way. But they are coming from right there. So they won't be running back tonight, they'll be running tomorrow night. But guys, I've been more focusing on the D-Queen Railroad. see if we can trail them just a little bit, just about right here. Well, guys, thanks for watching Kiamichi Railroad, guys. I will be on the DQ&E tonight. I don't know, the DQ&E boys, I'm starting to like them a lot more than the Kiamichi. I don't know, on the KRR, they're not as friendly anymore. I don't know, I don't know, guys. The KR, they don't give me no train honks, no nothing. I don't know, guys. I want to start focusing on my the Queen Eastern Railroad, where I'm currently going to start filming for at least for a couple of. I'm thinking about start filming it for the rest of the. I think I'm gonna start filming it every time. I'm starting. I like it a lot more than the KR Railroad. And I don't know. Something's been going on lately with the crew. I mean, they're not as friendly to me as they used to be. I mean, I don't know. They're not just as friendly, you know, guys. I don't know what's going on with them, but usually they have the window open. It's not that cold. I don't know. So, well, guys, I'll keep you notified on my next coming video, guys. That's not my usual friends that comes by here at nighttime. Those are my other ones, but he's not the most friendliest person, and so I mean he might do this, but that's not railroad friendly to me. So I mean, it's always to be nice to be railroad friendly around whoever, you know, guys, but I kind of guess he didn't want everybody knowing how friendly he is to everybody. But it's best to be friendly, you know, when there's people driving vehicles, because when vehicles see you, they know you're not their enemy, you're their friend. And so, guys, I don't know, maybe he didn't have a good day. I don't know. But I'm glad I get to see him go by, because I didn't catch the Queen boys last night, and I'm starting to like them 10 times more than the Kiamichi Railroad. And I think now I'm about to start turning to the I'm turning into the Queen Eastern Railroad person now. I'm starting to turn into them now. So I mean, I'm just starting to turn into them. I mean, you know, guys. I mean, I've been around my friends around the KRR, and I've been around their base. I talked them around the base, but not anywhere near the other places of wherever those places are at. But I've been near the bases though, where I could talk to them. But well, guys, hope y'all enjoyed this video, guys. I'm sorry if I bored you. Maybe you might have compliments one of the train engineers, or probably not having a good day. It's not as cold. But if I was working for the KRR, if I was a train engineer or train conductor, I'd be waving at the person who has a phone, you know, stuff like that. But that's just me. I don't know, guys. If I ever have a job, I would like to work for the Queen Eastern Railroad. I would work for that company. I would. I like the company so much, and so they are now starting to become my favorite company. But Kiamichi Railroad will still always be in my heart. But they're heading to Valiant right now. Tomorrow they'll be coming back flip-floppy because it didn't run yesterday. So they're going to run tomorrow night and all that type of stuff. They usually run on nights and stuff like that. But yeah, it'll be back to normal by next week. So, guys, Alright guys, hope y'all liked the video guys. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Catch you guys next time on the hot rails of the Kiamichi Railroad, owned by the Genesee in Wyoming on the KRR, guys. Alright guys, catch you guys later. Marshall out. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in my next adventure on the KRR known as the Kiamichi Railroad. Hope y'all like this. Marshall out. Thanks for watching.